There's no denying the fact that the Iris Pro 30 is an iPhone lookalike. Everything from the proportions to the curves to the band around its sides is reminiscent of the design that was the hallmark of Apple's iconic iPhone 4 and 4S, although its physical size is more like the iPhone 5 and 5 seconds. Lava claims that the Iris Pro 30 is the lightest and slimmest phone in its category. We aren't sure how Lava defines this category, but the phone is definitely easy to hold and comfortable over long hours of use. It's almost a relief to hold a phone of this size again, and especially to type on a keyboard that isn't too wide. Too many phones these days come with screens larger than 5 inches, which makes them bulky and unwieldy. Features, specifications and software. As impressive as the Iris Pro 30 looks on the outside, it's what's inside that counts. The processor is a 1.2 GHz quad-core Mediatek MT6589, which is not exactly the newest kid on the block. It's over a year old, and we've encountered it in other budget phones that like to advertise themselves as quad-core. The processor has an integrated PowerVR Series5XT GPU along with logic for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.0, Miracast FM radio and GPS. There's 1 GB of RAM and a paltry 4 GB of storage space, of which 2.43 GB is available to the user. This shockingly low figure is less than a quarter of what a phone in this segment should be equipped with. You can add a microSD card of your own, but even that is limited to 32 GB. We're extremely disappointed, especially since Lava is trying to portray the Iris Pro 30 as a high-value product. Display: 4.70-inch. Processor: 1.2 GHz. Front camera: 3 megapixel. Resolution: 720 x 1280 pixels. RAM: 1 GB. OS: Android 4.2.1. Storage: 4 GB. Rear camera: 8 megapixel. Battery capacity: 2000 mAh.